Welcome back to the Car and Pickup Updates. The 2026 Abarth 124 Spider is the return of an icon, a sports car that blends Italian passion, lightweight dynamics, and modern performance into a package that's both thrilling and approachable. When you first see it, the design immediately grabs attention. The aggressive front fascia with its wide grille, the muscular fenders, and the sharp LED headlights give it a stance that's more assertive than the outgoing version. Painted in classic Abarth red, the car pays homage to its racing heritage, while details like black hood accents, carbon fiber trim, and the signature Scorpion badging add the finishing touches that scream performance. From the side profile, the long hood and short rear deck preserve the timeless Roadster proportions, while the lightweight alloy wheels and quad exhaust setup at the rear hint at the excitement that lies beneath. Open the door, and you'll find an interior designed for pure driving engagement. It's compact, driver-focused, and built around simplicity without sacrificing modern comfort. The sports seats hug you tightly for spirited cornering. Covered in Alcantara and leather with red stitching to match the car's exterior. The flat-bottom steering wheel, trimmed in suede, feels precise in your hands. And behind it sits a digital analog hybrid cluster that balances modern readouts with classic inspiration. Even though it's a compact sports car, Abarth has equipped it with updated wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto premium audio, and smart ergonomics to make sure you can enjoy daily driving just as much as weekend canyon runs under the hood. The 2026 Abarth 124 Spider packs a turbocharged 1.4-liter multi-air engine that's been tuned to deliver even sharper response, producing around 200 horsepower. While that number might not sound massive compared to larger sports cars, the key here is weight. At just under 2,500 pounds, this lightweight Roadster uses its nimble chassis, perfect 50-50 balance, and rear-wheel drive layout to provide an exhilarating driving experience. Power is sent through a 6-speed manual gearbox for purists, or an optional dual-clutch automatic for those who want modern convenience. The exhaust note has also been fine-tuned with Abarth's Record Monza system, giving it a raspy, aggressive growl that brings the Roadster's personality to life. On the performance side, the suspension has been stiffened with sport-tuned dampers, while Brembo brakes ensure that stopping power is immediate and confidence inspiring. Abarth's engineers have focused on delivering steering precision that makes every corner feel alive, and the car feels planted without losing the playful rear-wheel drive dynamics that enthusiasts crave.